So, once again, as I'm editing this, I realized that I didn't film an intro. So, hi, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I absolutely love the sugar cookie stuff.
Yeah, I tasted yours one more time, and I tasted.
Right? I only had one class today, which was my 8:30 a.m. lecture. That's only an hour and a half. I do have a meeting in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna do that.
And yeah, Mitch. Every department would answer.
I got my Chipotle.
That can be too boring.
Still in my meeting.
I know. I'm about to say this and now.
Now I have to clean this stuff. This is my PR pile. There is so many boxes of so much products that I have to put somewhere. I don't have a giant bin. I think I'm gonna try to find one. And I'm gonna put it in my other room over there so I have a space here again.
Simin, you came so far. I'm looking through all Simin's PR. So successful. I love her. Yeah. You're like saving money.
Well,
Not really from the way you spend on other things, but you're technically saving money.
that's what I tell my mom.
It is, bro.
I know.
What's a stick ball?
I think it's just supposed to make your skin look glowy.
I'll probably just start with a 100. Like,
We're here.
I'm getting lashes because I had to take mine off because they weren't like sticking on properly. So I'm getting some lashes. Look how cute. They opened up the new store and it looks so good. How do we look, guys? I feel so like vlogger right now.
Careful.
So good, guys. Oh my god, eyes closed.
We're going to photo and send to take pictures with her boyfriend.
I know, not my boyfriend.
Oh yeah, not my boyfriend, but her future.
Any way you say it makes it sound bad.
She just wants to be a Nuna.
Guys, I've been a Nuna before. Don't. I'm going for Martin and she's going for... Yang Mi and Wang Yibo. Taste test. What'd you get?
I got the iced cloud mousse blue coffee latte.
Fine.
It's better with the coffee mixed in.
Yeah. I got the grapefruit Americano. I've had these in China before and I miss them and I'm so glad that I was able to find them here. It's so good. You guys don't understand how much I've missed this. I think, is it? Oh, it is, yes.
I was like, are we going in there?
CORTIS!
I have a 20.
Lock in, lock in. Oh my gosh, she's too good at this. It's like she's...
It's really cute. Ready? Yeah, I'm just gonna like walk. Okay, so basically, long story short, it's grand opening and they had like an event basically where it's like, if you follow them on Instagram and do all the stuff, you get like 15 tokens and each token is $1 so you can exchange it for stuff around the store. Okay, wait, I kind of love this. Wait, I actually love. This is the setup for the photos, guys. Everything that I own. It doesn't zoom in on video, so I have to do this. How much was your bowl?
$21. How much was your bowl?